Good morning, scholars, faculty, and to our families that are joining us on this beautiful Thursday, November 30th, 2023. All right, we got much to cover here, so let's get rolling with our morning announcements. All right, guys, our PACER expectations. Hey, we choose to be respectful. We are responsible. We make right choices, and we are relentless. Our 4 R's. All right, and then, of course, for today's joke of the day. Okay, this may be more of like a thinking question, but I think we could all get this one right here. Okay, so what falls in the winter, but it never gets hurt? Snow. Snow, right? Yep. Falls in the winter, but it never gets hurt. So I think that was more like a little riddle than a joke right there. All right, guys. Well, of course, you guys know what to do if you do want to have your own joke posted. All right. Well, hey, we have 2 things happening this Friday, tomorrow. First of all, we have cozy, comfy pajama and plushie day. Oh yeah, it's time to get cozy. I mean, even like today is cloudy and cold. I hope it's going to be that way tomorrow because that would be a perfect day to get cozy while you're here at school. So come ready for all that. Also an opportunity for your house to earn points. And then secondly, for all of our kinder parents, we have our second kinder connection meeting from 1:50 to 2:20. We're going to be doing that in room 2. So come on down. We had such a great turnout on the first one. A great way for you to connect with your child's teacher and learn more about what they are doing in class. We're really excited about our little free library initiative that's happening. This flyer went out, and so we have our first in-person meeting just to get some information about it, about hosting a possible little free library on your own property. Is such an amazing opportunity to create and ignite the love of reading in your neighborhood. So just go ahead and scan those 2 codes right there to get the videos. And also to register for December 12th meeting at 4 p.m. It's going to be great to see so many of you there. All right, for our 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th grade scholars, we are just about there. We have about 60-something% of scholars that have completed the Panorama Student Survey. Its due date is tomorrow. So today and tomorrow, thank you teachers for making that time and ensuring that is done. I appreciate it so much, and thank you scholars for getting that completed. And then parents, we also have a culture survey as well, and we have a little incentive for you and your scholars. So when you take it, all you have to do is write your child's name down on the flyer and then drop it off in the office. And then what we're going to do is next week on Monday, we'll do a little raffle. We're going to be raffling off a couple of scooters, and then your child will earn that. And so we're trying to get at least 100 parents. I think we're up to about actually 75 or so. Right now it says 55 on there, but we're about 75, 77. But keep on going, parents. Appreciate you guys so much. Oh, yeah. Pumping it up right there, guys. That's right. What's happening on Monday is the iReady diagnostic. That's what I'm talking about. So let's go over a few tips, because this diagnostic, also known as an assessment, is what helps you have those online personalized tests right there, or not the personalized tests, but like when you take iReady and then when you do the math and the reading lessons, this is what makes sure that those lessons match up with your skills. Okay, when we guess on it and when we go really fast, that means that the lessons that you get are not going to match. It's going to be probably too easy for you, and you're going to think it's a waste of time. So here are some tips. We're going to take our time, and we're not going to rush. Tip number 2, we're going to read each question carefully and answer the choices carefully. Again, taking our time. If you get a question that you have not learned, and that will happen, they're going to ask you a question that you have not learned, try your best on it. And like school, your teacher or your family cannot help you with that, like on a test. And so you're just going to try your best, and then after that, you're going to move on from there. For math, you're going to show your work on paper for every problem. Why? Because when we try to do everything in our head, we may make more mistakes in our head, so it's good to do things on paper. For reading, we're going to read each passage carefully and reread the passage if you need to. And last but not least, we're going to check our work before going on to the next question. So that starts on Monday. We're going to focus in and do our absolute best so you can have a great lesson experience when you do those. Well, right now, we're doing our popcorn / all kinds of great little goodie fundraiser, and that's going to end on December 6th, and all of the product will be delivered by the 14th of December. Great way to continue to help the school and do events and things like things like field trips and other events that PTO will do with the community and here at the school. So thank you, scholars and parents, for participating in that. Alrighty, well, that is all the time that we have for today. Let's go ahead and make it a great day, or not. The choice is always yours.